Green leaves reaching high, stretching softly to the sky. Every day a step so small, still they rise above it all. Morning dew upon the ground, tiny sparks of life abound. Like the sunlight finds the way, I'll discover mine today. Even if the clouds appear, I can find the light right here. Grow with the light, I'll bloom, I'll rise. Brighter shades within my eyes. Step by step, I'm moving through. Just like plants, I'll flourish too. Wind may sway, but I'll stay true. Every day a chance to renew. Roots go deeper, holding strong, guiding me where I belong. Even storms can help me see how the rain can nourish me. Little buds begin to show proof of patience as I grow. Every shadow, every bend turns to strength around the end. And when the sun breaks through the gray, I'll find my colors on display. Grow with the light, I'll bloom, I'll rise. Brighter shades within my eyes. Step by step, I'm moving through. Just like plants, I'll flourish too. Wind may sway, but I'll stay true. Every day a chance to renew. Tender whispers in the air, telling me I'm getting there. Every moment fresh and new, I'll keep growing just like you. Little lessons, small and kind, guide the courage in my mind. Grow with the light, I'll bloom, I'll rise. Turning hopes into